Tala, a small mongoose with quick paws and even quicker thoughts, lived in a bustling port city. Ships from faraway lands docked daily, unloading treasures and tales. Tala loved to scamper along the docks, imagining the journeys these ships had made. One breezy afternoon, a curious crinkle-flap flutter caught her eye. A map. It had blown right off a sailor's table and landed perfectly in her paws. This wasn't any old map, though. When Tala poked a spot, it giggled. Ticklish, the map whispered, wriggling and hiding its clues. The map, which Tala decided to call giggle-map, didn't point to gold or jewels. Instead, it showed a twisting path to a tiny, glowing bean. A singing bean, giggle-map whispered. From a mountain village, it grows best with a song. The first clue led Tala to the market of 1,000 smells. The market was a whirlwind of aromas. Sweet pastries, spicy curries, and tangy fruits. Tala, usually shy, remembered giggle-map's hint. Ask questions, listen for answers. She approached a friendly vendor named Anya, whose stall overflowed with colorful spices. "Excuse me," Tala squeaked, "do you know where I might find a bean that loves to be sung to?" Anya chuckled. "Ah, the whispering bean. It's rare, but I know a quiet corner where they sometimes appear." Anya pointed towards a small, shaded alcove. Following Anya's directions, Tala found the bean. It shimmered faintly. She sang a soft, humming tune, and the bean pulsed with a gentle light. "One down," giggle-map cheered, revealing the next clue, a path leading high above the city, to the wind bridges. The wind bridges were dizzying rope paths connecting tall houses. A gust of wind nearly sent Tala tumbling, and the spice seed she was looking for almost slipped from her grasp. "Careful," called May, a kind resident who was crossing the bridge with a basket. "It's easier if we help each other." May helped Tala steady herself, and together they navigated the swaying bridges. Tala learned that the spice seed, once found, kept food fresh, a vital gift in a busy port. "Teamwork makes the journey lighter," May smiled as they reached solid ground. Giggle-map then pointed to the city's hidden heart, the night garden. The night garden was a secret, peaceful place, where plants glowed with a soft, ethereal light. There, Tala found the last seed, a radiant fruit. Alara, the garden's gentle keeper, explained. "This fruit feeds special birds. They then plant new trees, helping our city breathe and grow." Tala looked at her 3 seeds, the singing bean, the fresh-keeping spice, and the tree-planting fruit. She understood now. These weren't just seeds. They were stories, connections, and the very future of her vibrant city. With giggle-map tucked safely beside her, Tala knew her adventure had just begun.